Hi guys, and welcome back to Bible Time. Today we're going to be reading Noah Builds a Big Boat from the Toddlers Bible Library. Noah built a big boat. Build a big boat, God said. Noah loved God. He would obey God. Look at the boat that Noah built. That's one big boat. Put all the animals on the boat, God said. So Noah put many animals on the boat. Noah and his family went on the boat too. One day it began to rain, and it rained and rained. Water went over the trees and over the mountains. And it wasn't just a light rain, it was a heavy rain. But God took care of Noah and his family. They were safe on the big boat. Thank you, God, said Noah. The end. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.